play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Good morning, YouTube. How are y'all? Happy New Year. I know you thought I was gone, but I'm not. Anyways, I really had intentions on just opening my camera and recording as soon as I woke up so I can give it to y'all real and raw like I always do, but in the middle of the night I pulled my lashes out, so I had to redo this side, and then when I was redoing this side wanted to act a fool, so I really had to give myself half a new set this morning. So I've already brushed my teeth, I've already got my breakfast warming up, preparing itself, so I can go ahead and get out today. It is 11 o'clock. I don't know if y'all can see that. Today I need to go to Target. Wait, I don't remember what I needed from Target. So I'm gonna get this tripod. Well, I'm gonna look at Five Below first because I don't have my vlogging like tripod anymore. I lost it, or I gave it to somebody. I can't remember. Probably both, because I had two, if I'm not mistaken. But I know Five Below be having little cheeky stuff, and it'd be cheaper than, it'd be the same stuff. And I literally just need a vlog tripod. So I'm gonna go there. If not, I'm gonna go to Target and get this one and pick up. It's like $14.99. And then I need to go to Best Buy and get this light, the light that goes on top of the camera. I have this, the selfie tripod, or we can, well, not or, and we're gonna go get this from Best Buy if they got it. And it's all in Goodyear, so we're gonna go to Goodyear and shop around. I really want to try this drink that I seen on this girl. Wait, what is going on? Oh my God.
I just got off.
Hey, say hey.
Hey.
Look at my lips. They so chapped. It's time for me to go do my face routine. But don't get on me, y'all. I did just brush my teeth because I didn't want to be on here talking to y'all with a funky mouth. Anyways, I'm going to eat, brush my teeth. We're going to go out. We're going to go to Target. We're going to go to Best Buy. We're going to go to Five Below. Five Below first to check. Then I need to go get some hair. Maybe for a quick weave. I just don't know if I want to buy this hair or not, because I just don't know.
Are you going to take pictures on the camera?
Probably when my quick weave is done, just for a thumbnail. But no. Oh, and Starbucks. I told you I wanted to try this thing, but they kept texting me. But I was telling them about this drink, but girl, anyways. I'm not even about to do my routine for y'all. I'm gonna speed it up because I actually have a whole nother video planned of a whole like hygiene, self-care.
Straight, not round.
Hygiene, self-care type of, you know, maintenance, like facial care stuff. So it is nothing different than what I'll be posting in my other vlogs. The Ordinary and then a facial wash. So it's nothing for me to say. So the debate is if I'm gonna buy some curly hair so I can wear it like with my hair out, because the leave out that I'm gonna have out is damaged. It'll dang near be blended. So I don't know if I want to use it or not. I mean, not use it. I don't know if I want to get it or just get some body wave hair so it can blend with my straight hair. So
I just want you to let them know you confirmed you were getting the hair.
Yeah. If it's in the price range. Ouch. Ew. I just sat on this. Okay, so I did my hair. Follow my Finsta, y'all. Barbie, what you doing? Need to pack my bag. Always.
Oh my god.
Should I wear my glasses today? Let's see how they're looking. Merry Christmas, and bought myself some Emilio Pucci glasses. And my prescription's about to get in them. But let me not show you that. Let me show you the actual Pucci.
Should I wait for it or should I try to go now? 15 minutes.
So cute. So cute. Okay. Get some deodorant. Oh, thanks. Gotta put me a water bottle in here. Shout out to my sister with some body butter from Bath & Body. Gotta put that on. You know I love the body butters. And my feet are so crusty, dusty, musty, rusty, whatever Drake said. They're not musty, they're just crusty. Because I need them done. And I popped my press-ons off. So they look cray-cray. So we're gonna get us some press-ons today if it's in my daily budget. Put this in my purse as well. About to put my slides on. My Gucci slides, okay? Lip gloss. Where's my lip gloss? Okay. I have my Playboy bracelet on. I have my other necklace on. And I'm about to pop my AirPods and my charger in here. I got my keys and we are ready to go. Okay, y'all, so I am at Starbucks. We're gonna get this to start our day off. I'm gonna try this new drink. Y'all be seeing that green stuff, that matcha, but it just be looking so aesthetically pleasing. And I know if you don't like it, they can make you another drink. At least that's what they be telling me. Maybe they just rock me up in there. But I'm gonna try an iced chai tea latte with matcha foam. I'm gonna just see if I like the foam, but they actually have like the matcha lattes or whatever. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and got the drink. Hey, hey, can't wait for my little aesthetic picture. So excited. But I gotta wait till I get in Target though, because that's the cart, the Target cart. Something about it is just so so aesthetically pleasing. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try the drink though before I even keep going along with my day. That's good. That is very good. I'm satisfied. I got a new drink. I got a new drink. So excited. Okay. I love it. I never not like anything I order. I always like it. So that's probably weird of me. We're about to look for a tripod and maybe a light, because if they got it in here and I can just spend $10 versus $40, that would be great, because I can spend more money on hair. I got a tripod, yeah! And I treated myself with a phone case. So excited. Today is going so well. Now I just need to buy this hair, Lord Jesus. Let me see how I can show y'all the tripod. Y'all see? Period. And it's pinky. So cute, from Five Below, y'all. So now I really don't have to go to Target, because that's where the selfie stick was. But I do want to take this aesthetic picture in Target, so we're just gonna run in there really quickly and then head over to Best Buy, because I want the light that's on the top. It's like a LED light. She made that with love. Okay, I do feel like a YouTuber again, so hey. And now I'm about to recreate this photo really quickly. All right, let's see. Even though my nails are not done, so it's kind of gonna be ugly, but it is what it is. And I got my Starbucks right here in a little cup holder. I'm so happy. Like, I'm back for real. I'm back and I love it. But I'm only in here for the picture since I already, well, actually I can look at Target. Target probably has one instead of going right back across the street to Best Buy. But let's see, let's try to take this aesthetic picture really quickly. Okay, so I got my picture, and that's literally all that matters. And why? Act like you got some sense, camera, because why are you trying to act like we're in the dark? We're not in the dark. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all what I got. So excited. Okay, let me start with the least to the biggest thing. So I got this scarf so I can wear it on top of my hair. I also got some rollers because I seen this girl on TikTok like preserving her curls, like her body wave curls, with these rollers. So I got a small, I got a small, a medium, and a large, so I can have like layered curls. I got some pins so I can like pin curl it. Here is this 3-pack of human hair, unprocessed, that I got for $87. It's a 14, 16, 18. And I'm about to pull it out the pack because I didn't get to feel it or anything when I got it. So I'm finna see. Ooh, period. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with me, G. I'm gonna stop at one more beauty supply because this one that I'm going to has closed. Hey. So my mom made spaghetti and I'm about to make these croissants, okay? But after that, I'm gonna wash my hair. She's gonna blow dry it for me. And then we're gonna get started on that quickly. But your girl gotta eat first because I'm hungry and my job has me losing weight. So we gotta get that back up. All of you need to remember who y'all talking to. Who phone over there blinking? That's mine. Oh my god. He's about to get in trouble.
I got you.
You out the shower already? Mm-hmm. No, you're not. Come here, let me smell you.
But I did take a shower.
No, you did not. I'm about to whoop your butt. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. My hair is blow dry. Shout out to my mama. Because I cannot get it this straight. This is the hair. Let me put y'all on real quick. This 3-pack of human hair, not synthetic hair. Pretty good. So this is the Bobbi Boss brand or whatever. And I seen it at my local beauty supply. Your beauty supply might not have, they may have something similar. So this hair also is wet and wavy. So I don't know if y'all can see right here. Okay, y'all, so it feels like it's been forever. But I'm finally done with my braids. And I'm about to put my wig cap on. And I'm also making a TikTok at the same time. So now it's time to straighten the hair. think it's gonna be cute. All right, y'all, so I did straighten the hair again. My leave out was frizzing up and stuff, and I just wanted to see what it looked like curled, and it did look really cute. So I do see myself curling it again, but I think I'm just gonna wear it straight. But basically, this hair is so cute. I'm about to take the scarf off. So it's really cute. My hair still acts like it doesn't want to get like too straight, but it'll do. It's cute to me, and I like it, and that's all that matters. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I am about to post this TikTok at the same time I post this video. So if you're here from TikTok, what's up? What's good? What's popping? So my social medias will be down below in the description box. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns or suggestions, go ahead and drop that in the comment below as well. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Promise I'm back. I promise. I don't care if 5 people view my channel. I don't care. I'm back. I want to get back to those 100K views, 200K views, 50K views, whatever. I just, you know, really miss being a YouTuber. So I would love if y'all could support me, share this video, tell your people about me, you know what I mean, get me back, because it happened because of y'all. So I love y'all. Bye.